Hello everyone! Exciting news for all Indian students aspiring to intern in the United States. The Consulate General of India in New York has just launched a dedicated online platform to connect you with internship opportunities at leading companies in the US. Let's dive into how you can apply and the incredible benefits of interning in the US. New Delhi. The Consulate General of India in New York announced this amazing initiative on Wednesday. They've developed a platform specifically for Indian students to find internships at companies in the USA, as shared on X. As part of the initiative to support Indian students in its jurisdiction, India in New York has developed a platform for Indian students to find internship opportunities at companies in the USA. Several Indian and American companies have agreed to consider deserving Indian students for these opportunities. You can apply for these internships through a dedicated website. Make sure to click the link provided in the description to check it out. The consulate's social media post advises students to apply directly to the companies as per the details provided on the portal. Remember, the consulate has no role in the selection process and is not responsible for it. Now, let's talk about why you should consider interning in the US. Here are some of the amazing benefits. First, gain practical work experience. This is your chance to apply classroom knowledge to real-world scenarios. Second, develop professional skills. Build your communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skills in a professional setting. Third, network with industry professionals. Make valuable connections that can benefit you throughout your career. Fourth, explore career paths. Get a deeper understanding of different career options within your field of study. Fifth, enhance your employability. Internship experience strengthens your resume, making you a more attractive candidate for future jobs. And finally, immerse yourself in American culture. Experience the American work culture firsthand and potentially live in a new and exciting environment. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the new platform launched by the Consulate General of India in New York and start applying for these incredible internship opportunities. Good luck, and may you find the perfect internship to boost your career. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on amazing internship opportunities. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.